Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to recover your Snapchat streaks. So let's get right on to the video. So let's say that you had a streak with one of your best friends and it was getting close to 1,000 days. You had a busy day and then you forgot to check your Snapchat and then your streak is gone. A streak is whenever you Snapchat back and forth within a 24-hour period. So if you miss a day, that streak will be completely gone. So I'm going to show you how to get it back. You can go to a searching browser like Google or Safari. I'll go ahead and use Safari, but then you just want to search Snapchat support like this. Click search. It should be the very first option. You want to go ahead and click on their website. Once you're here, you want to click on the search bar and look up I lost my snap streak. It should pop up. Go ahead and click it. From here, it tells you, like I said before, you need to snap back and forth to each other within a 24-hour window. If you lose your Snapchat that you've sent within 24 hours, you should let them know. So and then it says you need more help. Go ahead and click yes. You then want to select I lost my snap streak. And then you want to scroll down. From here, you want to put in your username, your email, your phone number. This all needs to be associated with your Snapchat account as well. But put in your device, the iPhone or Android, whatever it may be. Put in the person's username that you had the streak with. You want to put in when you start having this issue. You want to type in exactly how many days your snap streak was. Did you see the little hourglass icon, meaning that time was running out? And you should also put in any more information that you think they would need to help you get your snap streak back on with your friend. So they should contact you within 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes it might be less, sometimes it might be more. But once you get something back, they should let you know whether or not they can do this and help you with your streak. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next one.